As more and more businesses use social media, the platforms keep changing. Reaching the people you need to get in front of seems to get harder every day. So what's the answer? Video. Hi everyone, it's Eric from Build Marketing, and I'm excited to announce that we're partnering with Quintivation to deliver a workshop, How to Make Your Social Media Marketing Oscar-Worthy with Video. Getting on this red carpet is easy. I promise you, you don't need expensive equipment or fancy editing tools to get started with video marketing. So join us May 14th and we'll share insights about what makes video so effective, why social platforms and marketers are embracing video, and how you can plan your own campaigns to give your business the close-up it deserves without needing a Hollywood-sized budget. Space is limited for this free workshop. Sign up now and reserve your seat.